that freshwater tank taste can ruin an RV trip fast. And the fix is literally a palm-sized filter between your hose and your rig. Today you'll see 6 popular RV water filters ranked from number 6 to number 1, with the real-life stuff people don't mention: flow, taste, fittings, and what it's actually like living with them at a campsite. 6. Camco Tastepure RV Water Filter. The Camco is one of those filters that almost everyone has seen at a campground because it's a classic inline design, and it's simple. You screw it in, and you're filtering right away. It uses a 20-micron sediment filter and is designed to reduce bad taste, odor, chlorine, and sediment, so it's more about making water pleasant than turning questionable water into mountain spring. I'll say this: when it's new, the taste improvement is noticeable. The first time I ran it at a site with strong chlorine, the water went from pool water to okay, I can actually drink this. And that's the whole point of an RV hose filter for a lot of people. It also includes that flexible hose protector, which sounds like a gimmick until you've kinked a hose at a weird angle and suddenly your sink trickles like a sad drinking fountain. But, well, it's also clearly built for convenience, not for serious filtration. The 20-micron rating means it's catching bigger sediment, not the finer stuff that can still make water taste off or feel gritty at certain hookups. If you're expecting it to rescue truly nasty water, it's not that kind of product, more like a basic comfort upgrade. And here's the slightly annoying part. Like a lot of inline filters, it's easy to forget. Ever take a sip from your RV tap and think, why does this taste like a swimming pool had a baby with a garden hose? 5. AQUA CREST RV Water Filter. The AQUA is sort of in that same easy inline hook-and-go category, but with a few details that make it feel a touch more modern. It uses a multi-stage approach with GAC and KDF, and it's positioned as reducing chlorine, bad taste, and odor. Plus, it's marketed with NSF 42 and NSF 372 certifications listed on their product page. The flexible hose protector concept shows up here too, and the idea is the same: 4 kinks, less strain, less annoyance. When I ran this one, the taste improvement felt a little more clean and crisp than the most basic bargain filters. Like, you know when water goes from meh to I can actually drink this without thinking about it? That's the vibe it aimed for. And for cooking, pasta, coffee, even just filling a bottle, it made the water feel more normal. It's also meant to be easy to connect to a standard hose or faucet, so setup is not a project. Now, here's the critical part. The filter is described as high capacity for up to about 3 months depending on water quality. And I mean, that's fine if you're a weekend warrior, but if you're doing longer trips, 3 months goes by fast. And worse, campground water quality isn't consistent. One bad source can make a 3-month filter feel like a 3-week filter, and that's where the value starts to wobble. 4. CFS Carbon Block Water Filter. This is the kind of filter you'd use as a replacement cartridge in compatible housings. And the listing describes it as a 10-inch by 2.5-inch carbon block cartridge aimed at removing bad taste and odor. So instead of hanging off your hose like a blue tube, it's more like the heart of a filtration setup. What I like about carbon block filtration in general is the steady feel. Like it's not just trying to mask taste, it's trying to consistently polish the water. In day-to-day use, water tends to come out smoother tasting, especially if your source water has that plasticky, chlorinated edge. And if you're the kind of person who actually wants to build a more permanent RV filtration setup, this category makes sense because you can pair it with a housing and treat it like part of your rig. It also gives you more control because you can choose your housings, pre-filters, and how you stage filtration depending on where you camp and how sensitive you are to taste and smell. When I tested it in a cartridge-style setup, it made the kitchen water feel more home-like, especially for cooking. The trade-off is obvious. This isn't the easiest plug-it-in-and-forget-it option. You're not just tossing it in your storage bay and screwing it onto a hose. You need the right housing, you need space, and you need to be okay with a slightly more hands-on setup. GLACIER Fresh RV Marine Water Filter. GLACIER comes in with an inline filter that tries to bridge that gap. Still simple, still travel-friendly, but with a more multi-stage style story behind it. Their product description highlights multi-stage filtration using granular activated carbon and KDS, and it's positioned as lead-free and BPA-free. It's also pitched for multiple uses beyond RVs, boats, campers, general hose use, which is exactly what you want if you're bouncing between travel modes. In testing, this one hit a sweet spot for me on taste and smell. Like, you know that moment when you fill a cup and you don't get that chlorine smell rising off the top? That's what it felt like, noticeably fresher, and it made quick stuff like rinsing fruit or making ice feel less sketchy. There's also a claim on one listing that it was tested and verified by independent lab testing for chlorine reduction, with a figure of 97.9% mentioned. I also liked it for tank fills because it helped the whole RV water system feel cleaner, not just the water at one faucet. You fill the freshwater tank with better tasting water and everything downstream benefits. Showers smell less chlorinated, dishes rinse without weird odor, and coffee doesn't taste like you brewed it inside a pool pump. Now, it's still an inline filter, so you're still in the world of periodic replacement and variability depending on how nasty the source water is. But compared to the starter tier, it felt more consistent stop to stop, especially when camping in places where you don't fully trust the water. 2. FRIZZLIFE RV Water Filter. FRIZZLIFE jumps into the conversation like, okay, you're done playing with little inline tubes. Here's a system. The MV99 system is described as certified by IAPMO RAN-T against NSF ANSI 42 and 53. And it uses a composite activated carbon block with 0.5 micron filtration accuracy. It's also built with lead-free brass connections designed to fit standard 3/4-inch garden hose hookups. And in actual use, you feel that system difference immediately. It's sturdier, it's bigger, and it doesn't feel disposable. The flow rate is stated as 1.5 GPM at 60 psi, which is important because nothing ruins RV life faster than a filter that turns your shower into a sad drizzle. It also includes a holder with metal pegs to keep it upright, which is a small detail, until you've had a filter flop around, kink a hose, and spray water like a surprise fountain. The other standout feature is the auto shut-off design, meaning you don't have to shut off the water supply when changing filters, according to the product description. That sounds like a meh feature, until you're changing a filter in cold weather with wet hands and you're trying not to flood your site. And instead of replacing the whole housing, it's designed so you replace the inner core filter, which is framed as a more eco-friendly approach. On taste, really good. Like, I can finally stop buying bottled water for basic drinking good. It's also described as reducing chlorine, sediment, lead, and heavy metals, plus bad taste and odors, while leaving essential minerals. 1. Hansing RV Water Filter System. Hansing is all about longevity and serious filtration. This is pitched as an anti-clog inline system for 25K gallons with a one-piece 5-stage filtration approach, and it's described as targeting sediments, chlorine, VOCs, and heavy metals. And honestly, this is the category that makes you feel like you're finally treating water as a core RV system, not an afterthought. When I ran this style of higher capacity system, the biggest emotional difference was confidence. It's not just, does this water taste okay today? It's, I'm not stressing every time I hook up at a new park. That peace of mind matters, because RV travel already has enough unknowns: weather, leveling, power hookups, and the classic, why is my slide making that sound? The anti-clog positioning is especially appealing if you've camped where the water has visible particulates or you've dealt with pressure drop after a few hookups. A system that's built to resist clogging feels like it's designed for the messy reality of RV water, not the ideal fantasy version. And the multi-stage design idea, again as described, suggests a more thorough approach than basic taste filters. In daily use, this kind of system shines for everything: dishwashing and even showers, because the whole rig's water supply feels cleaner and smells better. And for longer trips, the high-capacity claim is what really makes it stand out compared to replace every season style filters. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.